your view or comment on this, especially on these roads which are really in a bad condition and as far as transport is concerned then?
See, obviously bad roads affect the transportation. Everybody has to move through a pothole. Government is very serious about putting an end to this problem. Various technologies are being explored. Even if there are potholes, how to do away with it instantly. And that is what the new government under Dr. Pramod Sawant has announced, and we will see that it is implemented. So next year around, there will not be such a problem. At least that is the endeavor. Now what has happened in the past, everybody knows who was minister, how it happened, and how much interest was being taken. So I don't think talking about it is going to solve the problem. Rather, it will aggravate the problem even further.
You blame the previous minister for all those bad conditions of road?
I wouldn't like to comment on that. I think people of entire Goa fairly know who is responsible and why this sorry state of affairs as far as bad roads are concerned.
What are the new initiatives that you would like to do in transport department since taking over as a transport minister?
I think you will bear with me that it is only recently that I have taken over. I am seized of so many matters, but I can certainly say that in the next 6 months you will see many visible changes as far as new initiatives are concerned, and it will be there for the people themselves to see. First of all, we have to guard against pollution right away. We have to introduce more electrical vehicles, whether they are buses or other forms of transport. And I think that is of essence in a place, in a tourism place like Goa, because we can't have more and more pollution happening just because the number of vehicles are increasing. So we are seized of every issue in that sense.
So would you put an effort to see that electric cars are more the future of Goa?
That is what I said. That is going to be the endeavor of the government. First of all, we'll start with the Kadamba transport itself. We are already, in fact, I have mooted the proposal that we should have more electric buses, and if aid is forthcoming from the center through various other countries, we will be taking help of that so that we have less pollution in Goa.